actually understand counter steering. And that's what this does, is it helps you with your counter steering. It's good to do, you don't have to go as fast. Those freaking idiots were crossing the line there. Stupid idiots. That's alright, you gotta watch for that. These trucks who think that they're fast, big old piles of shit. And then those little cars where those guys think they're drifters, also little piles of shit. That's just my opinion. Some of them are nice, but I don't really think so. Let's say you left it one-handed. People say you don't ride one-handed, but the bikes are very capable. That's the thing about these bikes, you gotta trust it. You gotta know it can handle what you tell it to do. And they can. There's a fella enjoying the evening. That's really cool right there. Just relaxed and enjoying the atmosphere, the coolness. And then you get to see a motorcycle guy coming around these twisties with one hand on his throttle. This one's pretty fun. Well, once you understand counter steering, it's pretty good. And that's the ticket. You gotta practice. You don't have to go as fast. You can go at a decent clip. When you're uncomfortable, put both hands back on there. But it's good to practice so you understand how counter steering works. Both ways. Pushing goes right, pull in, goes left. And once you get that ingrained in your head, you'll understand counter steering completely. And that's the beauty of that. You gotta practice though. If you don't practice, you're not gonna get better. We're going to go down this way. We're going to do one hand. We're going to keep one hand going and go from there. And that's the thing. There's a lot of bugs out here, so I don't have a peel off like MotoGP guys do, so gotta deal with it. That's alright. So we're gonna go through this one-handed. Again, you gotta keep that hand relaxed. Keep your right hand relaxed. Keep your eyes always looking far ahead. Use the road. When they say use the road, you use all the road. Once you get this down, it's pretty good. You can do a lot with it. And I know people say, oh, use those hands. I mean, that's up to you, man. If you feel something's about to happen, you can throw your hand up there, but you still got to stay very relaxed, no matter what. And you pick your lane. Again, the bike goes where you look. That's just a fact. If you look way up ahead and one that right there, that's where it's going to go. Every time. Not sometimes, every time. control it. See there? You control it with that right hand. The bike will do what you want it to do. I mean, I'm telling you, I'm not putting my hand on the steering at all. Just doing this. Scanning always ahead, so if I see something that's a hazard, then yes, I'm going to throw my hand up there. I'd be an idiot not to. You can even use the front brake, start releasing on tip in, and just counter steer it. Very simple. Let's see if we see some deer out here. They like to eat over here. And there you have it. Go through it one-handed. Very simple. You gotta practice though. Always be practicing. I can't stress it enough. And here we go. We're gonna go play now.